Good morning, y'all. It's day 3. We just did How to Fund Your Dream and Top Time Management Tools. As you can see, it's a little cold today where I'm at, but it is what it is. We keep moving. Today we're getting into home recording and home vocal recording. So still music production, still pretty light. And then tomorrow we get into music business with number 5, how to get on iTunes. And so you're going to want to get your notebooks ready for that one if you're not already on the services. Tomorrow you're going to want to have your laptop or your phone or whatever you do work from available too. So today is still pretty light, keeping it with home recording and home vocal recording. If you don't need these, you can kind of skip today, maybe look back at the last couple of days. But, there's some good tips in there, and it's just slightly different from just recording to vocals, so that's why they're split up. But hope you enjoy both of these, and then see you for music business tomorrow. How to get on iTunes. Peace.